Today, we're creating a bold and dramatic fire text reveal animation, a powerful entrance effect where your text bursts into view with a fiery glow. This is perfect for gaming edits, dramatic intros, action videos, or anything that needs a strong visual impact. Let's get started. First, open your project in CapCut and make sure your clip is on the timeline. Now, tap text from the bottom toolbar, tap add text, then type in the word or title you want to animate. Next, tap on the font tab, choose a font that fits the fiery theme, something bold, sharp, or thick for maximum impact. Your font choice will enhance the energy of the fire reveal. Once your text looks good, tap the animation tab. Inside the animation options, go to the In tab, scroll until you find an animation called Atom Flame. Tap to apply it. You'll see your text light up with a fiery burst. It looks intense, energetic, and perfect for high impact edits. Now, use the duration slider to control the speed of the animation. Slide right for a slower, more dramatic flame reveal. Slide left for a quick, explosive entrance. Preview your edit and adjust the timing until it feels just right. And that's it. You've created a dynamic fire text reveal animation in CapCut Mobile, perfect for powerful and eye-catching intros. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tutorials.